Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hello and welcome to Get Veganized. Today we're going to make barbecued stuffed magic mushrooms. Alright, let's begin. Okay, the first part of the mushrooms I have to make is the barbecue sauce. Right here I have some maple syrup, and to this I'm going to add some ketchup, a little bit of mustard, some Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, some liquid smoke, and some apple cider vinegar. Alright, here we go. And we'll mix it together, check out the consistency, and we'll go from there. I usually make my sauce from scratch, and I just put stuff in there that I like. Ketchup and mustard being the base. I think it needs a little more ketchup. Alright, that looks great. Now I'm going to set this to the side and I will make the stuffing next. Okay, for the stuffing I'm going to take the mushroom stems and dice them up. Not really dice them, just chop them. This should do just fine. Next, I'm going to chop up about a quarter cup, a little over a quarter cup of walnuts. Be careful when you're cutting these so they don't shoot out all over the place. Low and steady wins the race. Alright, that's a good size on those. Put those in on top. Now I'm going to add some onion. Dice up a little onion in there. And last but not least, some dairy-free mozzarella style cheese shreds. I would say about a quarter cup to a quarter cup and a pinch. Now we mix this together. And we let that sit as well. Now here we are with the mushroom caps. I have washed and dried them, taken the stem out and coated them in oil and put them on a aluminum lined baking sheet. I'm going to make 3 of them with stuffing and 3 of them without, but they're all going to be barbecued. So the first thing I want to do is spoon a little barbecue sauce on all of them. Okay, now to add the stuffing. There we go. And then finish it off, top it off with the last of the barbecue sauce. And I'll finish the other ones off with some more sauce too, because I like sauce. Alrighty, now we're going to pop it in the oven at 425 for about 25 to 35 minutes, and we'll see how it looks then when it comes out. Okay, welcome back to Get Veganized, and this is what it looks like coming out of the oven. And I will plate it up, and here it is. While we were away, I roasted some potatoes and steamed some asparagus. And that's it for Get Veganized today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you try it and like it. And come back and see me next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi, this is Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you liked it, please subscribe below. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.